Hey everyone, in this video, I want to share how I make a chamomile oil infusion and a chamomile extract. You can use the chamomile oil and the chamomile extract in many skin and hair products. I wrote a post with all the information and formulas including chamomile oil and extract. The link for the post is in the description. You can grow chamomile flowers and use them to make the oil infusion and the extract, but if you can't grow the flowers, you can buy dried chamomile flowers and use them. Chamomile, known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Chamomile is highly effective in alleviating redness and swelling, making it especially beneficial for skin conditions such as eczema and acne. Important compounds in chamomile, including bisabolol and metricin, help to reduce inflammation and promote healing. The cutting should be mostly the flower heads and not the stem. After collecting many flowers, it is best to check your cuttings and ensure you have as few as possible from the stem part. After having a basket full of flowers, I go over them and cut more of the stems, leaving only the flowers parts. I leave the flowers to dry for 2 weeks in a ventilated area away from direct light. After the flowers had dried, I collect them and stored them in a jar with a lid. I use the dry flowers to make the oil infusion and the extract. There are 2 methods to make an oil infusion, a cold process or hot process. Here I am sharing how I infuse the oil with the hot process. You can find information on the cold process for oil infusions on the website. In a heat-resistant beaker, I add around 15 to 20 grams of dried flowers of chamomile. Then I add 120 grams of carrier oil. Here I used sunflower oil. You can use sweet almond oil, olive oil, hazelnut oil, grapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, or any carrier oil you wish to infuse. While filming this video, I made a larger amount to use the oil infusion for several products later. The next step is to place the heat-resistant beaker in a double boiler on low heat around 40–42 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Stir the chamomile flowers every 10–20 minutes while heating in the double boiler. The best way to ensure you are not overheating the oil is to check it with a thermometer. After some time, the flowers will transfer their color and scent to the oil, and after 2 hours, the oil will have a dark yellow color and a strong chamomile scent. After 2 hours, you can remove the beaker from the heat. To avoid burning your hands, use oven gloves or kitchen tweezers. Give the flowers one more stir and leave the infused oil to cool down. Once the oil has cooled to room temperature, you can strain the flowers using a cheesecloth or even an old clean sock. I'll show you next how I use an old clean sock to strain flowers from infused oil. Pour the oil into the cheesecloth. You can squeeze the cheesecloth to make sure all the oil gets in the jar. Here I used an old clean sock to strain the flowers. I add a drop of vitamin E into the infused oil. This is optional. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps extend the oil's shelf life. The chamomile oil is ready. You can use chamomile oil in soaps, balms, creams, lotions, scrubs, hair conditioners, solid lotions, basically in every product that contains oil. For the next part of the video, I'll show you how I make glycerate chamomile extract. I use 5 grams of dried chamomile flowers and add 50 grams of vegetable glycerin. I cover the beaker and store it in a dark place for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, I use a cheesecloth to strain the chamomile flowers. I store the extract in a dark glass bottle, away from direct light. On the website, you can find more information and formulas with chamomile oil and chamomile extract.